Hey, I'm Morgan. I have something important to tell you. The toothpaste revolution is here. Our mission is clear, to clean up the planet and all the teeth in it. You must be thinking, oh, but how? With Clément and the team, we launched NOICE in the US and in the UK in January this year. We aim to disrupt oral care by making it sustainable and accessible, but without compromising on the efficiency or the taste. Time for a little demo. First, receive your pump bottle. It's enough toothpaste for 6 to 8 weeks of brushing. Second, we send you refills automatically at your doorstep every 4 months. Third, once your first bottle is empty, simply swap the pump to a new one. And don't forget to recycle the old one. Our toothpaste is made of natural ingredients with a zero-waste model, delivered right at your doorstep. Since January, thousands of brushers have loved NOICE experience and its long-lasting, minty fresh taste. What else? And bye-bye the 1.5 billion toothpaste plastic tube wasted every year. NOICE formula is all natural with organic essential oils. It is super efficient. And yes, we can prove it with Big Name Lab certificate. Our secret ingredient? Licorice root, fighting bacteria responsible for cavities. Subscribe now for less than $5 per month on NOICE website, or find NOICE at your nearby local shop and online. You heard it right. We are dedicated to make NOICE the oral care sustainable revolution.